Well, it's been a while since I last did an update, so here you go. The unit is pretty much ready to go. It's gonna go, primer's already on. It's gonna go into paint sometimes next week. And as you can see, it's in fantastic shape. Here's the first few pieces I actually installed. That was kind of nice to go from taking stuff off and cleaning and blasting and doing all that stuff to actually putting some new stuff back on. I really enjoy doing that. As you can see, body is nice and straight. It's ready to go for a good coat of paint. Let me show you under after the unit has gone through dry ice blasting. Now, as you can see, we're still missing a good part of the exhaust. I'm gonna put a straight pipe so that it sounds better and breathes better. As you can see, everything looks almost new. This dry ice blasting is just absolutely amazing. The results are just breathtaking. So here you go. This baby is gonna be ready to go really, really soon, while all the others here await their fate. And here's the plasma cutter ready to go, and our new mobile blasting unit. It's been a real labor of love putting this together. So it's got its own compressor, the blasting unit with its water tank. This unit is quite unique in the sense that it can do both wet and dry blasting, and so makes it a lot easier, particularly here in New England, where outside we already got 2-3 feet of snow and it's freezing. So here we go. We're gonna be able to do blasting just about anywhere we want. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this update, and stay tuned. There's more to come.